Welcome to our latest video, where we'll unlock the power of walnuts and reveal the heart-healthy cholesterol connection. Did you know that heart disease is the leading cause of death worldwide? It's time to take control of our heart health, and walnuts might just be the key. Walnuts are not only delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that support heart health. They are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to lower harmful cholesterol levels. But what is cholesterol, and why is it so important to manage it? Cholesterol is a waxy substance produced by our bodies that plays a vital role in cell function. However, too much bad cholesterol can lead to plaque buildup in our arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that incorporating walnuts into our diet can help reduce harmful cholesterol levels. They contain a unique combination of nutrients, including fiber, protein, and healthy fats, which work together to improve heart health. In fact, research has shown that just a handful of walnuts a day can lower harmful cholesterol levels by up to 16%. That's a significant impact on our heart health. So, how can we incorporate walnuts into our daily routine? It's simple. Add them to your breakfast cereal or oatmeal. Sprinkle them on top of salads or yogurt, or even enjoy them as a tasty snack on their own. Just remember, moderation is key. While walnuts are heart healthy, they are also calorie dense, so enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. In conclusion, walnuts have proven themselves to be a heart-healthy superfood. Their unique nutrient profile can help lower harmful cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. So why not unlock the power of walnuts and take control of your heart health today? Thank you for watching our video. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. Stay healthy and see you next time.